In this video I'm going to demonstrate how you enter pricing into the HatcheryManager.com system. Pricing works at the SKU level. It does not work at the breed level, and the SKU consists of your SKU code and the sex. So for example, if we look at Rhode Island Reds, the 101 is the SKU and C is the sex code, meaning male or cockerel. So let's start with that breed, and we can see that there is already some pricing entered for this one. So how this pricing works in the website, in the HatcheryManager.com system, if you have more than one type of pricing, like a retail pricing and perhaps a wholesaler pricing, then this list will be enabled and you'll select the type of pricing you're entering. The next facet of pricing is the date range, and we call that a pricing set. A pricing set has at least a beginning date, and it can optionally have an ending date and an order limit. If there's an order limit, then any given customer is not allowed to order more than that number of this SKU at a time. If there is not an ending date or a to date, then this pricing will be effective until you add in a new set of prices. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to pick something else that doesn't have any pricing, like this one. And so the first thing you're going to do is add a new price set. You're going to get this dialog, and in this left-hand box you're going to get the effective date, the beginning date of the date range this pricing is effective. I'm going to go ahead and choose December 1st. You can choose an ending date or you can leave it blank. We're going to go ahead and choose an ending date of January 31st. If you needed an order limit, you would put it here and then click the Add Price Set. And when you click that button, a number of things have happened. The price set has been defined and it's listed here, and it's come down to this bottom table, which is the actual individual prices, and it's started for you a new entry, since you need to add at least one price into a price set for it to be valid. So this works on a quantity range, and so the from value is required. So from 1, the to value is optional. If you don't fill in a to value, then this price will be effective for any number of quantity that's ordered. We're going to go ahead and put an upper limit of 5, and then I'm going to hit tab, and you're going to type in the current price. You see the difference between current price and base price. If the current price and base price are the same, then there's nothing special, but if the current price is different, then that indicates to the system that there's currently a sale on this particular item, and it can show differently on the retail website. For now, we're just going to put in one price and hit tab or enter, and it will default the same base price. So let's go ahead and now add another set of prices from 6. I'm hitting tab to 10, I'm hitting tab again, and those are going to be $5. And now I'm going to go ahead and add one more price, which is 11 and up. So 11 and up, I'm going to leave the to field blank and just make that $4.50. So if the customer orders 1 to 5 of them, they'll get this price. If they order between 6 and 10, they'll get that price. If they order 11 or more, they'll get that price. And you want to make sure you hit save. So now then, this is the pricing that is in effect for this particular item. If you need to immediately see some changes on the website, you can come up here and click that button. Otherwise, the website refreshes pricing periodically, typically once every 30 minutes or once an hour. So now let's go back to Rhode Island Red and look at another feature. So suppose we have pricing in for Rhode Island Reds, and we want to, this is a no ending price set. That means that this price is effective forever, but we want to do a pricing change, say perhaps at the beginning of the next season. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose expire and clone. What that's going to do is expire this current pricing set on a given date, clone the prices, and allow me to edit the new pricing. Alright, so this is the new price set, and we're going to see when we want it to be effective. So let's go through. The previous one was starting on November 1st, 2017. So let's go to November 18th and start our new pricing, January 2018, and start our new pricing there and leave the end of it open. So this is going to be next season's pricing. We're going to click Add Price Set, and here's what it's done. It's capped the previous pricing at the end of the year started the new pricing on January 1st, and copied over all of the existing pricing. So now we can go in and raise our prices a little bit, maybe by a nickel each or something. 550, 550. We'll go ahead and raise these by a nickel each. And you saw that red pop up. That was showing you there was a potential error, not necessarily an error, but a potential error, and which is fine because we're changing all the various prices at a time. And so don't forget, after you've made your changes, to click Save, otherwise your data will be lost. So that's it for this how to do pricing video. Just in summary, you're going to click over here, the SKU that you want to enter pricing for. You're going to enter a pricing set, which consists of a from date, an optional to date, and an optional order limit. And then you're going to enter pricing based on quantity ranges. If the base price is different than the current price, that indicates that that item is on sale. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.